Hello everyone and welcome to SK Defense TV. Today I am going to show now a Russia versus United Kingdom military power comparison 2021. So let's get started. President Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia and Boris Johnson is the Prime Minister of United Kingdom. Capital Moscow is the capital of Russia and London is the capital of United Kingdom. Land area 17,098,246 square kilometer total area of Russia and 242,495 square kilometer total area of United Kingdom. Global rank 2 global rank of Russia and 8 global rank of United Kingdom. Population Russia 146 million and United Kingdom 65 million. Total military Russia 3,014,000 and United Kingdom 275,000. Active person Russia 1,014,000 and United Kingdom 195,000. Reserve personnel Russia 2 million and United Kingdom 80,000. Paramilitary Russia 555,000 and United Kingdom has no paramilitary. Special forces are Russia 70,000 and United Kingdom 4,600. Nuclear weapons Russia 6,375 and United Kingdom 200. Main battle tanks Russia 13,000 and United Kingdom 109. Infantry fighting vehicles Russia 12,560 and United Kingdom has no infantry fighting vehicles. Armed personnel carrier Russia 10,203 and United Kingdom has no armed personnel carrier. Armed fighting vehicles Russia 27,100 and United Kingdom 5,500. Artillery Russia 14,865 and United Kingdom 250. Self-propelled artillery Russia 6,540 and United Kingdom 89. Field artillery Russia 4,465 and United Kingdom 126. Rocket artillery Russia 3,860 and United Kingdom 35. Ground-based ballistic missile Russia 5 and United Kingdom has no ground-based ballistic missile. Total aircraft Russia 4,154 and United Kingdom 738. Fighter aircraft Russia 789 and United Kingdom 119. Attack aircraft Russia 742 and United Kingdom 15. Strike Russia 395 and United Kingdom has no strike. Multi-role aircraft Russia 289 and United Kingdom 148. Bomber Russia 145 and United Kingdom has no bomber. Tanker fleet Russia 19 and United Kingdom 9. Transport aircraft Russia 429 and United Kingdom 45. Total helicopters Russia 1,540 and United Kingdom 269. Attack helicopters Russia 538 and United Kingdom 38. Trainer aircraft Russia 495 and United Kingdom 244. Anti-aircraft missile system Russia 10 and United Kingdom 1. Serviceable airports Russia 1,218 and United Kingdom 460. Total naval assets Russia 603 and United Kingdom 88. Super carrier Russia and United Kingdom have no super carrier. Aircraft carrier Russia 1 and United Kingdom 2. Helicopter carriers Russia and United Kingdom have no helicopter carriers. Frigates Russia 11 and United Kingdom 13. Destroyers, Russia 15 and United Kingdom 6. Corvettes, Russia 85 and United Kingdom has no corvettes. Patrol count, Russia 55 and United Kingdom 25. Mine warfare count, Russia 48 and United Kingdom 13. Submarines, Russia 64 and United Kingdom 11. Ballistic missile submarines, Russia 11 and United Kingdom 4. Nuclear attack submarines, Russia 14 and United Kingdom has no nuclear attack submarines. Attack submarines, Russia 37 and United Kingdom 6. Defense budget, Russia 42.1 billion USD and United Kingdom 56 billion USD. Nominal GDP, Russia 1.4 trillion USD and United Kingdom 2.6 trillion USD. Purchasing power parity, Russia 4 trillion USD and United Kingdom 2.9 trillion USD. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.